In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fill your tax form of Ireland for your YouTube channel. In our next video, we are going to talk about how you can do same for your USA as well. So if you don't do this, you'll not be allowed to take payments on YouTube. That's what you have to know. So during my time, I thought there's no needed, so I didn't do it. So I had to chat with the chat support, and then they told me I have to do that. So now let's walk you through the procedure. Let me walk you through the procedure in doing this. So now here is our Ireland tax info. So this is how I did mine. This is how I filled mine, and they accepted it. So on Ireland, they don't tell you the amount of money they are going to deduct as tax, but for USA, they tell you, they be specific. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about all that. So now let's focus on Ireland. So here you choose individual. Your business type, choose individual, because this channel is for me, and they're asking if there is any tax treaty. So my country is Ghana, so I choose no tax treaty from what I know. And are you eligible for lower taxes? And no as well. So if you have any tax number, tax ID number in your country or residence, you can input it there, but then I don't have any. So you just go on and then submit it. That's it for Ireland. It's very, very much simple and easy. And let's wait for the confirmation. So you can see my USA is being approved here. For this one, they take 30%. So if you have a lot of viewers from the USA, you are going to cry. They're going to take all your money. And if there is no tax treaty, so in my next video, we're going to talk about that. So that's it for Ireland. If you want the USA, hop on my channel and then find that. So if you are new here, do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.